Okay, so it is smooth as it can be seen. Now we will place this on a video. So I have a video here, input.mp4. I have a simple video here, and there is no eagle anywhere in the video. It's not there anywhere. Now we will put eagle in the video. That is the idea. Now we have, so we will use FFmpeg. We are using FFmpeg version 414 static. So we will type FFmpeg -i input and then -i eagle filter complex, because two inputs are there, and here we just say set PTS equal to where we want to place. So we will place at location 4 second by TV. We will name this stream as 11. Now we will overlay. Where we will give X as right corner and Y as kind of some number 30. We need to put end of action equal to pass. We need to put enable. I think we don't need right now, we'll see. So idea here is that end of action pass means it would go only once. It will just run only once. Okay, input eagle.g filter complex set PTS. Okay, output file is getting generated. Is it done? So at the 4th second, here it appear, so it is appearing and gone. So only once it will loop. It won't loop. So only once it will happen. Okay. So this is the fundamental. This is how we can place GIF. If we want to loop again and again, then we have to give a parameter called ignore loop. So don't ignore the loop. So actually you should loop, and we can make till how much this will work. We can say enable LTE T starts at end at 14th second. Okay. Minus ignore loop. Now it would loop for 10 seconds, starting at 4th second. It is ready. So it will start at 4 second and loop. Okay. Now it will go for 10 seconds. So this is how we can put GIF on a video. If we want, we can scale the image also. If it is very big, we can say scale some 200 or probably 200 or 160, 150. We can scale it and then we can try. Okay, so it should be really small. Yeah. So this is small now. So we can scale the GIF and we can place wherever we want. Okay. We can place two GIF also. I have another GIF called lion. So this is for lion. So we will now make GIF the way we made. Convert loop 0, dispose background, delay 10, frame dot png lion dot GIF. So we have lion.gif. So this is lion. So if we want to insert lion, we can insert lion now. Okay, so we'll type it. ffmpeg -i input minus ignore loop 0. Okay, lion gif minus ignore loop 0 minus I eagle filter complex. Now for lion we will set some PTS. Set PTS equal to PTS plus where we want to put the line. Probably line will start at 2 seconds only, and this stream number is 11. Similarly for 2 we will do for eagle set PTS equal to PTS. It will start at some 6 and stream name is 22. Now we will overlay first line, probably at the middle. Overlay equal to x equal to by 2, y equal to h minus h by 2. Same thing, end of action equal to pass and enable till, so it would finish at probably 14-15 seconds, and this stream name is out. Now we will overlay 2 on top of out, overlay x equal to, so eagle will be in corner only, so probably we'll make it okay, so the right corner is okay, minus w, y equal to some 40. Same story, end of action equal to pass, enable equal to LTE. It will run up to 25 or 20 seconds. That's it. Okay, so First input, ignore loop, second input, and then third input, set PTS for the first, start at 2 seconds. Second set PTS started at 6 seconds. Overlay first one, okay, and then overlay second one. That's it. Set PTS equal to PTS plus 2 by 1 to set PTS plus 6 by 2 okay. 1 okay. So we'll try the output at second line should come, okay, so it is coming, then eagle should come, so eagle is coming. So certainly this is very big, lion is certainly very big. First lion will go, then eagle will go. We can scale it. So lion we can scale kind of 200 minus 1. Okay, so line should be small now. Okay, and then eagle comes. So this is how we can do. Lion we can make little small, and eagle also. So we'll make it kind of 150, and eagle also will place scale equal to 140 minus 1, and let them run till end. So probably this till 25, and this also some 30. Okay, it is better. Eagle and lion. So this is how we can add GIF images. Those are animated images in the video, and that we can kind of in time slice we can enter. So this is how it is. Okay, thank you.